So for today, I'm going to teach you how to change your network in your Trust Wallet. So first, you need to install or download your Trust Wallet application on your mobile device, and after you download it, you need to access it and link your wallet if you have current or existing wallet. Or if you don't have one, just click the create a new wallet. After that, you will redirect to the main dashboard, which is you will find it like this. After that, you will see the filter icon on the middle part at the rightmost, which is the two circles and some two parallel lines. After you clicked in, you will see the asset layout, which is you will customize which network you wanted to show or you wanted to send or even receive in. So after that, just click the manage crypto, and after you click in, you can simply use the search bar or even scroll it down for you to able to toggle which network you wanted to show. So for example, I wanted to show the Ethereum, so I'm going to search for it. And once I searched it and saw it, just simply click on the button for you to toggle it. And after that, you will going to click the back button, and you can now see your Ethereum on your wallet. So if you want also to show the Binance network on your wallet, just click the manage crypto and just search for the BSC or the BNB if you'd like to, like for example like this, and just simply toggle it again. And two networks have shown in your wallet. So in the Trust Wallet update, it will depends on what network you wanted to receive your coin, like for example in Ethereum or BSC, BNB, and just simply copy their specific wallet address so that your cryptocurrency won't float or you won't lose it. And that's how you change your network in your Trust Wallet. So, if you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comment section. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.